omo ede bonus sia no on the matter and so we financial crimes be on say fraud any financial loss to the state na fe money laundering ni ade bia ya tete say ase any name in that regard. But nana I mentioned say we Wontumi a wonyo obi a sebi ebia obi to me I escape and answer obi dwane every country more people are yes it's good. I mean some feedback no that was I think Wyoming 52 as you said and or say Professor Edubuahin or non so one
Edubuahin
Kwabena Edubuahin 120 million.
NPP they are being hypocritical in this matter. Nana is straightforward. Akokwa background of the man and no under NPP NDC time Edubuahin National Signals Bureau boss no ni bewa ya de to no so no na ye 120 nana me the link na ma Jeff what did the Edubuahin lawyers do ya the 120 ni to no so muntimi ntua no they went to the High Court. There's a remedy in the law because the framers of the law know who say police ni an investigative institution no bet medin semfun na no ati ase. So in the law there's a remedy. Omo call 129 and I won Edubuahin's 120 million bail sum reduced to 80 million. Court restricts couples movement.
Yeah.
So there's a remedy in the law. Na unum na me catch me wo fa we kira ma me fa kire nkomo mana Nana no mun na suro nso bi beka se we nto mo fa mo Wontumi eno ana ekoso nana that's the truth. Professor Meyakofi ni bail no na 10 million Kennedy ne ko gina mu ma no. In fact, they are papa ne call no we trash kra mom de ne ko UGMC Kennedy Japan ne ko gina mtua ne bail ma no. Na ne to meso metua Wontumi e bail na nso mu suro mo ho. Ye beka se papa we. There's a remedy in the law. Why is 2 days ni? Sana kokwa kana na I'm told 2 days something be court. Why is the lawyers for
over 48 hours?
That's Godfrey Yabo Adame, former MP Asante Achimago, Gonabo and the appeal. I didn't know Mufanen call High Court. Say, Billionaire, you could have 2 year clients in a sono. Ridiculous. Not then the court will hear the matter because anonymous. Osha charges are Justice Ramsay, Deputy Attorney General, Omudebo Wontumi, because then I see sometimes the bill is also has a connection of charge at a bone. Now, in the case of Professor Meyakofi. Maybe my secret information be. Unum say CEO no Solomon Samana nanum say asate no am check no guso police custody onya ni be osika no.
Sir,
what to say omakoye sit down omakoye demonstration. Just Google Solomon Asamoah CEO for GIF. No. Ono ogusu wo mo because o meeting ni bail conditions. But Professor Meyakofi no Kennedy ko gina mu bail no. Enti ehwehwe ni mu no mo ye no. Because even in this government, there's a process. Men can't say I'm not talking about that. Say no more na say no matter say ya na enya no mumo obi 120. Court it me to so by 80. And I don't know for the same 50, route no. And court Wontumi dey. Na Wontumi charge am the bond na ti. Almost a fraud. Causing financial loss to the money laundering. Now these are serious matters. Niemi hu kura na me kan say no ama mo share me private channel me kan say na me me tete say Wontumi ye ba won beza no hobeto no ko na omo betwe na bo so pa omo say second investigation kro mo ye no e won international organized crime link na so am kire say Wontumi djubadie ni bi na international organization bi kaso bom ni ma bi wom na enti so mo freeze Wontumi property say bia no atunton bi ni ade. So nana they are angle minim ne nto omo yesa ade we nyina no omo mwa papa no ida so omo suro mo so meka se we wo dan we wo car we anaze bibia kwa in this same government ye mo be 120 me logical me free ban no me I have an issue with how national security does this. Saturday me jina akan me stands on this matter so obi adjurima e me enye bukata say ye gudigidi da bi. How you go about it is important because one you careful. And these were appointees ene. Everybody boni bi. Otina bi ye de be ya mo be transfer kasa. Ana me su de minemu. Na na janto na mo bro no be frɛ mo. Me mu bi se nkomo ne agya di. For 2028 to da ban be sesen bi e boma me nka bi ewu. Because mo no muntie futuo. Tintin tirintisem na. But I'm saying say ye mo bi ye 10 million. Na na ate say afenoma ke nanti free parliament call. Edubuahin wo. Utibi. Ne lawyer attach ya court. Na nanim. We a politician afa we sua de na na afa nyama ken kodu ohia wase dey. MPP will sleep at Yoko to Wontumi's release. My 11 PM picture no.
Omuka so mbeda ho.
Amka so mbeda ho. Emi ayi Wontumi. Na na ebo 11 na he obi eni ho. Ntu wo tumi a ana da bia metena me kan power is transient. Na ogugbegbe ni nyina no eye waban na wo so tumi omuni so anyo bia. Na no ahe de na ye gofre ye bo adame woko. Obeka so nyo bia. Former attorney general. It's man nyamode ya mo ho aban mu no. Ese musuan lesson bi. You need to accord all of yourselves no some mutual respect bi. And na me de nyafanya ma kemu na politics any theatrics sana mimi hu no. There's a remedy in the law. Say be only 50 million menyam ni. But under this same NDC government, ye who precedent. Say bill no ojitum say entosumu a you go to the high court, you apply to the judge say judge eni de ya me kan entosumu na judge na tie. Kodu boy say na see minim say Wontumi na say na number so ma say na
anti anwumre ni nie.
Na eni nie.
Obi ana ho.
Yes e be da ma de achi e bo levia na ewo nie.
Hey.
Nananim me kan NPP doesn't want to help Wontumi. Nana no mu ye theatrics. And I was down for Poyando minus on the video now. Also, Tom Munya Capre. Munya Capre. The Poyando says, why isn't the jeans be a good them? Will be a number and send no. And then I mean, who I say, Wontumi who he and on Besabi or Mobile Buano. Nana Sana Mimi because my mom president Chess and Nana umbet me a court acquires added. Nana needs to come make us 3 days ago. On the Wontumi channel matching an A2. First, no more channel, the CID, and I galamsey, or share invitation documents now. Second one, I was sitting slowly to say it because until the lawyer confirmed me a numero, say it's in connection with Exim Bank. So, even if the lawyer knew that an Exim Bank, now your charges are related to say, why didn't he start the court processes earlier? Because I'm not telling you. There's a remedy in the law. Maintain in to ask an answer to your court demand, maintain no more than say. They are not helping the gent 50 million before some just only 50 million. And then again, we are this in no jubilee here. Maka and I that be 30th May. One day, then this in trap one check. Nyamuye, it will come back. Some people for you be an na air can. No more ye, yane, which will transform with you. A phenomenon you at the form. Power, a transient. Unya to me now you be ye bibia. Ye, Nana, I want to move so on ye. Nana, me who said, do me and his some womb, and you want me catch any publicly. Manana, his some a womb, and his some because Nana may say Solomon as some work to them. Professor Maya coffee. A dubois in the near 40 million.
Jom court be on me.
Oh, met me at zero no monk court. Nana, I knew who ye are some of them away. Men come and quite room and coffee passes room. A dubois in the last month, Yanni see 120 no mama evidence my John like 2/80 today ntina Wontumi dey fan nkoko tunko ye bi ma no na NPP for na hisam bi wom o monka
tia Wontumi hu ye o mahi
tia kwasinti nkomo na wo di no akwasinti nkomo na wo di na hisam bi wom tie Canada na nya Canada ne kokasa MPs ne bai
eye me wawampo
na ote Canada ko no kokanya se hwehwe ni mu na mo ye no ato force mu tu gira na chime nkasa sa ade ne ye so mo boycott no ba Canada kasa no it spoke to omo conscience omo nya gi akire di ekọ no nana hisem bo wo do betu ne hofo na yi go do TV so ne ade ye ka you know nana so mo nyom se jamane no mo wen 11 no obi ekofie obi agere fra masa brafie sei unzo mo nyina ekofie wo power ene ma nya tumi a mudi gira manfo so no kan hu se tumi ne ntran woda
NDC for any dear, many dear,
yes,
many,
and now on say options like self-recognition bill, no, and crowd, yeah, about at Wegu. I am person I can't want him because one, ABAO, it will be favor. So, me know one thing about a idea me tifa Wontumi home. In the Galamsey documentary near the other about him. But let's look at reality, the processes are investigative body the normal firm. That is what we are concerned about. Say Article 14 it says it should be a reasonable the old day reasonable terms of bill. And yet said ye ebi ani pa ne hu ahi keke said ye Eugene kasa ase ne hu akoye ahi ebi a womanfo pena asem ne adentina ebi a ye de sai sika no bebrebe beto no so anase be but I will say Wontumi is not somebody who can run away. Wontumi is not somebody who can run away.
Yeah.
And he will be appearing before the court. Say omuka so omre. Any bebre ewo ho. Eti I think say
radio station.
Emomo nye no ahani radios normal bebre ho. So I think say emomo nye no so much as if say ebema enya political tone. Nemum niema enye te say yede ne efa emra kwan so eye so clear with yina enko eyi bia nana.